everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another Empties video. I think I like doing these a little bit more often so that I can kind of keep these videos a little bit shorter, and sometimes I have a lot of like repeat products and things like that. So I will get started and show you guys all my trash. So my first two empties are a shampoo and conditioner, and these are actually like my purple shampoo and conditioners, which I'm surprised at how long these have lasted me. I feel like these have lasted me maybe about a year, maybe more. I don't do the purple shampoo like that super often. I probably do it maybe like once every 2 or 3 weeks or so, but I actually have two different ones. So the first one is the Shimmer Lights conditioner, and I have the generic Shimmer Lights, but this one is the shampoo. I actually would have gotten both of the generic if they had the conditioner, but they were out, so I ended up getting the generic shampoo and the regular conditioner. I like both of these. I feel like they do the exact same thing, and this one's a little bit less expensive, so I think I'll definitely be repurchasing the generic if they have it. I feel like it's just worth, you know, saving the couple extra bucks, and I feel like they do the same exact thing. Some people really don't like the scent of this one, and I can see why. It definitely has kind of like a floral kind of grandma-y kind of smell to it, but I don't mind it. Maybe I'm just used to it, but those are my favorite purple shampoos. This next one is just like a random one. This is the Herbal Essence Color Me Happy shampoo. I think I have the conditioner somewhere, but so far I've used up the shampoo. Just super inexpensive, and I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on like hair care products and stuff. It probably shows, but yeah. Another product, this is one I actually hadn't had in forever, but this is like one of the like just most iconic hair products. This is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle like leave-in deep conditioner or something. I always just use this like a regular conditioner, but I'll just leave it in my hair forever. I always like forget how much I like this until I like repurchase it, because I don't really use this very I guess like religiously or anything, but I definitely like this. I'll probably buy some more if I think about it. Next is my hair dye. This is of course my favorite one, L'Oreal Feria Absolute Platinum in the color Extreme Platinum. I cheated on like my hair dye the last time I did it, and my hair looked busted, and then like I used this and it like completely fixed it again, as it always does. So yeah, that's just my absolute favorite. I'm gonna keep buying that one forever, and it's probably time to do my roots soon. Yeah, I also have two of the like Feria little purple shampoos that come with the actual product. These actually suck. They're not really shampoos, they're actually conditioners, but what I usually do is I end up just saving these until I want to like dye my hair like a pastel color, and then I'll just like use this as the cheap conditioner to dilute the color. So I always have those on hand, and I did that for the second time that I dyed my hair purple, because I did it once at like I think in February, and then I just let that fade, and then I kind of did a little purple again, and then this is kind of how it's faded again. I'm kind of trying to decide if I want to dye my hair another color. I feel like maybe I want to do pink again, maybe I'll do purple again. I don't know. I've just kind of had that itch. It's always like springtime. I really want to like, I don't know, dye my hair like fun colors, and you know, just kind of let them fade and be pastel colors and do whatever. So next is a product. I actually just used this yesterday, and I'm gonna have to wait a little bit to see if it works or not. I don't know if I'm doing a video on this or not. I did film like an intro for it and some parts of it. If I ever end up uploading that video, you'll see it, but this is the It's Skin Self-Care Foot Peeling Mask. Yeah, I was really interested in trying this, so I did that yesterday, and I will hopefully see some results over the next few days. And again, I might make a video, I might not, who knows. But if I don't make a whole video on that, I'm sure I'll talk about it in passing in some video. So the next thing I used up is one of my favorites. I've used a million of these as well. This is the Etude Mascara Remover One Shot Clean. This is the large bottle. I have like just a tiny bit, probably like 1 or 2 uses left, so I'll use that up, but this is pretty much used up. And then I also ended up using like 3 of the little ones. I swear, I always mention this when I talk about this, I feel like the little ones are better than the full-size one, so I think I'm gonna just keep buying the little ones, and then I'll save the bottle of the big one and then just pour them into there. But I used up those as well, and yeah, so I'll definitely be buying probably more of these. They're usually like 80 cents. I think the last time I got like 2 of them for 80 cents, so I stocked up on a couple of those. But yeah, so definitely one of my favorites for removing my mascara. And then the last things I'm gonna go through super quickly, because these are all just kind of like samples and like foil packet type products. So these first two are samples of the Too Cool for School art class Studio de Teint color correctors. I did videos on these. I have a whole bunch of sample of these, so I'm sure I'm gonna have like a million of these in my empties over the next like year or so. But there is the blue one that's called Clear Blue, and there is the pink one that's called Eclat Rose. I have a whole video dedicated to those in case you want to see those. Another color correcting trio, these are the Etude House Fix and Fix Primer colors as well. So there's the pink, the green, and the lavender. And again, I have a whole another video reviewing these, showing them what they look like on my skin, and telling you what I think about them. So don't be surprised if you see these like a million times over in my Empties videos. I'm almost done with these. I've shown these a million times as well. These are the Skinfood Black Sugar Mask Wash Off. These are just like sugar exfoliating masks. I really like these, but I don't think I would buy the full size because I do have some other sugar masks, like full size ones that I've got that I like just as much. And so yeah, but these do kind of have like a Sprite. It kind of has like a lemon lime Sprite scent to them, which I wouldn't have expected with it being sugar. I would have thought it would have had more of like a vanilla scent to it, but showed those a million times. I probably have a few more that you'll see in future videos. I also used up, these were actually from my BoxyCharm. These are the South Main 3 gel eye packs. So I used up those. I had one more, but I guess I misplaced the little wrapper. But these are just like these gel under eye pads that you put on, and they depuff your eyes and like moisturize it, and it just feels really nice. So those I actually got from my BoxyCharm. I really like those. I don't think I'd buy these specifically though, because I have a whole bunch of other ones from these Korean brands, and these I have so many of them. But I don't think I would purchase these, but I do really like them, and I feel like you just can't go wrong with any like gel eye cushion kind of thing. But I definitely have some less expensive ones that I like more. And this I actually used up today. I really like this. I was actually surprised at how much I like this. It's like this 3-piece sheet mask thing. So I got mine from Big Lots, and it was $2. So the first step is an oxygen bubble mask. So it's actually really cool. So it comes with like the little pouch on the top, and then you apply that to skin, and it's like one of those foaming masks, like the Eliza Vecca Milky Piggy one. I have a video talking about that, but it's very similar to that. So you do that step first, and then you like wash that all off. Then there is a second step, and this is like a moisturizing serum. So then I applied that, and then the third step is the actual sheet mask. So I did that today. I really liked it, and I was like really surprised at how much I liked it, because it was like just a $2 sheet mask. I feel like it was just a little bit more fun and a little bit more like luxurious than like just a straight like sheet mask. I have another one of these, so I think I would definitely buy these again in the future. This one was the moisturizing one. The other one I think is like a vitamin C kind of one, or maybe like a collagen one. And then I think there was one more that I saw at the store, but I only got 2 of them. But I definitely really like these. It's by Epielle. It's the same brand that makes the makeup removers that I love so much. So I'm actually like not surprised that I like this, but I think for like $2, it was a really good deal. So that is it for my Empties videos. Again, I try to want to keep these a little bit shorter, a little smaller, easier to watch. So yeah, that is it for my Empties, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.